Hello, 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 hello.
It is coming, it is fluctuating, right? Whenever you are speaking.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. I'll just add some filters on to it.
Yeah, good morning all. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Those of you are live, please let me know. There was an audio issue that we just sorted out. Okay, fine. Now it is clear. So let us start. So today we are discussing the topic geometry. Geometry we have discussed in 2 classes, in special classes recently. Those of you couldn't attend it, the recording of that also you can check out. So one second. Audio, there is no disturbance, na? Everything clear, right? Please mention. The team was rectifying the issue. Now it is proper, I guess. Yes. So let us start. So yeah, this question I think you have tried now. One second, there's a slight adjustment in the camera. Just a minute. Okay, so let us start. So geometry is the topic we are discussing today. Geometry previous classes, many I have taken in this channel also and in special classes also. In the comment section you can see the link to access it. So let us start immediately this. Due to the delay we have lost some time, so I will start immediately. So yeah, the geometry, these are the aspects we have discussed in the special classes. School day things you learned, I just have summarized here. You can check out this or you can pause the video and learn it later. The different types of polygons and also the properties of major polygons like triangles and different types of triangles. So let us try this question anyway now. November 2020 problem. Yeah, how many of you got it? Mention the answer. All of you try it and post what answer you got. Audio video clear now, all of you. Sheena, refresh and check. I think it is clear now.
Audio video clear now, all of you. Sheena, refresh and check.
Yes, it is clear. Okay. So what is the answer for this question, all of you? Some of you got option B. Some of you got option A. Let's see which is correct. So I will explain. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to 5, BC equal to 14 and CA equal to 12 units. Circles are drawn with centers A, B and C such that they touch each other externally. The radius of the circle around A. So the meaning of the question can be understood from this triangle, from this picture. In a triangle ABC, AB equal to 8. So this line, the length of this line segment is AB, or length of this side of the triangle is 8. And BC is 14, this is 14. And CA is 12. Circles are drawn with centers at ABC. So taking A as center, B as center, C as center, we are drawing these 3 circles such that they touch externally. Yeah, they should touch like this. That is what the meaning of the question is. Then the radius of the circle around A. So this is our required unknown. Our required unknown hai ye value x. If this value is x, this value is also x. Na? Are you all agreeing that? Because from the center to the circumference of that circle you are drawing a line, that is the radius. So if this is radius, this is also radius. Similarly, I am calling B to this circumference or radius of B circle as y. So this is also y. Radius of C circle as z. So this is also z. Did you all understood this much? They are touching externally. That is why we can be sure about this. Okay, now AB is totally 8 now. This is 8. So we can write the first equation as x plus y equal to 8. All of you understood that x plus y, it is 8. and BC is 14. BC is 14 means y plus z is equal to 14. And CA is 12 units, that is why x plus z is equal to 12. So 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Definitely you can solve it. Now it is just a linear equation problem after reaching here. So how you can solve it? Different ways are there. Easy way is all the equations have x or y or z, 2 of them. So if you add these 3 equations, you will get 2 times x plus 2 times y plus 2 times z. Na? Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3, if you are adding x plus x, y plus y, z plus x, z, that is 2 times x plus y plus z will be the left hand side if you add all these 3 equations, and the right hand side will be 20 plus 14, 34. That means if you cancel the common 2, x plus y plus z is equal to 17 you will get. X plus y plus z is 17 means you need to find the value of what? X. This is our required unknown. So x plus y plus z is 17 means y plus z is 14. That 14 can be substituted here. X plus 14 equal to 17. X is equal to 3. So that is how option D 3 is the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Very good question, right? November 2020 net exam, this question was asked. Again, actually in the title earlier, there was a confusion in the title. This session is for all CSIR net aspirants. CSIR net questions we are discussing, not DBT questions. Initially when the title was made, there was a clerical mistake. So this we will be discussing CSIR net questions itself. DBT question discussion sessions you can check out in this channel, which I already have taken 1 week back. So x equal to 3, all of you understood, I guess. Then can you try this June 2019 problem? Any answers for this question? Okay, some of you got option A. Let's see whether it is right. So two parallel chords of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter of a circle are separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. So there are two chords. Look at this picture.
We are given a circle.
1 second. So two parallel chords of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter are there. 1 second. There's a audio issue again. Okay. So two parallel chords of a length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter of a circle. So we can draw the chords like this. Just see whether this picture is clear to all of you. This is one chord. This is another chord. Separated by 1 centimeter. Separated by 1 centimeter means like this. Look at this picture. One chord AB, one chord CD. AB is 8 centimeter long, CD is 6 centimeter long, and the distance between them is actually 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Question is asking one second. Yeah, question is asking radius of the circle. I just confused with the question. So radius of the circle is what you need to find. We know this much. So we can use Pythagoras theorem on this triangles, right? Which two triangles? OQD triangle and OPB triangle. Because this is radius, both have radius in it. So you will get two equations with the radius and another unknown x you need to assume, which is x. This length, if you assume x, from center the chord AB will be x centimeter long. So you can say 4 square plus x square is r square. Pythagoras theorem you are applying. That is on this triangle OPB. Yeah, how this is 4 square? Because this is fully 8 and this is half of it. So definitely 8 half 4 this is, and similarly 6 half 3 this is. That is why 4 square plus x square is r square, first equation. And the second equation you can form is 3 square plus x plus 1 square. Why it is x plus 1 square? This much is x, this much is 1. This length is 1. So x plus 1 this is. So this triangle, if you consider x plus 1 the whole square plus 3 square. Why this is 3? Because total is 6, half is 3. So plus 3 square equal to, 1 second. 3 square will be, so that two equations you need to solve it. These two equations if you solve, you will get the answer. 4 square plus x square equal to r square, 3 square plus x plus 1 the whole square equal to r square. So how you can solve it? Just a minute. So yeah, the easy way is you can open up this brackets. 9 plus x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to r square, and you can take x terms together. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9, 10 equal to r square, and you can subtract. Yeah, you can find first value of x, that will be better. From this you subtract this, you can cancel x square and r square terms. What you will be getting is 4 square is 16. So 2x plus 10 minus 16 equal to 0. That is 2x equal to 10 minus 16 is minus 6, that is plus 6 to the other side. X equal to 3 you will get. So
Now, we
option, yeah, x equal to 3, but that is not the answer. What we need is r value. So x is 3 we got, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now either you can do 4 square plus 3 square. You got a Pythagorean triplet, but directly you can say this should be 5 square. That way you can do, or you do 4 square plus 3 square equal to 5 square. That way you can do. Did you all understood this? Yeah, in between I just got confused a bit. Is it clear, all of you? From the picture, I think it is clear. If there is any more clarity needed, please mention in the chat. 5 will be the answer. If the question was asking that length x, then the answer would be 3, but the question is asking the radius, so the answer is 5. Okay, if that is clear, let's go to the next question. This question I will come back to. Yeah, this is another type of problems. 3 exams they have asked questions from this. Can you make a try with this question, all of you? Make a try, all of you. I think due to the technical issue, some people are not aware the lecture is live now. If any of your friends are not aware of the lecture, please let them know. Let them know that the lecture is live now. so that more people can join the session. Try it and post your answers, all of you. Okay, some of you got it. So I'll explain. Consider a square of side. So I'll explain. Consider a square of side A, fit the largest possible circle inside it and the largest possible square inside the circle. What is the side length of the innermost square? Look at this picture. This is what the question is saying. There is a square, maximum possible circle inside it and maximum possible square inside that circle. So this is the situation. Largest possible circle means the edges of the circle should touch the square. Circle should touch the edges of the square like this. And largest possible square inside this means the vertices of the square should touch the circle like this at a single point like this. So now this question can be done in different ways. Question is asking the side length of the innermost square. Innermost square side length is what you need to find. So this is our required unknown x. Required unknown x is total this length. Use a different color. So this x, if this is x, half of it will be x by 2. That means this much will be x by 2. Similarly, this much is also x by 2. So this is also x by 2. Or OB length is x by 2. AB length is x by 2. Is that clear? Now question is saying that the outer square side length is A. Outer square side length and diameter of the circle are same. Are you all understanding why diameter of this circle and the side length of the outer square is same? Because this is a maximum possible circle inside the square. So if this is A itself. So radius of that big circle is A by 2. Radius of the big circle is A by 2 means you can draw like this. This much is A by 2. This is also, one second, not this much. This much is A by 2. This is also radius, right? This is A by 2. So in the triangle ABO, this is A by 2, this is x by 2, this is x by 2. So you can use Pythagoras theorem there, right? We need to find the answer with respect to A only. So x by 2 the whole square plus x by 2 the whole square equal to A by 2 the whole square. Then simplify it, you will get the value of x as A by root 2. Did you all understood? Please respond whether this is clear or not. Let me just check the chat. Again, this question, how different ways you can solve. I have used A by 2, x by 2. You can, if fraction simplifications is difficult for you, what I will suggest you is don't take A by 2, x by 2. Take x and A itself. For taking x, this is actually half only. So this line is not needed. What I am saying is you can consider the full diagonal also. That is another method. This full diagonal you can take. This full diagonal is equal to the diameter of the circle, or we can say the diagonal of the small square is equal to diameter of the circle, and that diameter is equal to side length of the big square. Are you able to understand the connection between these three? I am telling you a second method of doing this question. The diagonal of the small square is equal to diameter of the circle, and diameter of the circle is equal to side length of the big square. All of them are A itself then, because question says that side length of the big square is A. So you can consider this as A, and this is our required unknown. Na? A, I will call this some D length. AD length is our required unknown. Isko X assume kiya to. This is also X. So there itself you can use Pythagoras theorem. That is even more easier, especially if you feel that taking fraction simplifying will take more time. Then go for this. X square plus X square equal to A square. X square plus X square is A square, means 2X square is A square. X square is equal to A square by 2. X is equal to A by root 2. Same answer you will be getting. So that way also you can do. This kind of question was asked in 2-3 exams. I will show you one more question of this type. Try this question. June 2017 problem. Make a try, all of you. Yes, Mo, second method also is fine. Can change the video setting in your YouTube app. YouTube is auto adjusting to a lower bandwidth, so you can change that setting to and set it to a higher bandwidth, then the screen will be visible. Because I am seeing here it is visible, so I think it is a setting in your phone that is changing the video quality. Try it and poll your answers. One second, this is, yeah, try it, this question itself. Okay, I'll explain. Some of you got it. Let's see. So here again, similar to previous question, here it is told that there is a circle. Inside that there is a square, inside that there is a circle. Previous question, 2 squares and a circle. Here 2 circles and a square in between. So this will be the situation. Can you all understand this picture correctly? Bigger circle, then bigger square or circle, bigger square inside, bigger circle inside that. Okay, so now what is told in the question? Consider a circle of radius r. So the radius of this big circle is r. So the diameter of that big circle will be 2r. Na? If the diameter of the big circle is 2r, what you can say about this? This is also 2r, na? Because this is the diameter of the big circle itself. This is 2r. The second method we applied in the previous question, that we will use here. If that is 2r, that 2r is equal to, so 2r is the, yeah, that 2r, that much only we know. We need to find what? Finally the answer we need is what is the radius of the innermost circle? Radius of the innermost circle means side diameter of the innermost circle. First we will find. This is the diameter of the innermost circle, that is equal to the side length of the square. So I will call that as x. X by 2 is the final answer. X nahi, x by 2 chahiye, but for convenience we will find x first. This is x. This is also x then. Are you all understanding? So again you can use Pythagoras theorem directly. X square plus x square is 2r the whole square. Are you all understanding? 2r the whole square, that is 2x square equal to 4r square. X square equal to 2r square. X is equal to root 2r. X is equal to root 2r, but what we need? X by 2. X by 2 will be root 2 r by 2. 2 by 2, root 2 and root 2 cancels to give you root 2. So r by root 2 is the answer. X by 2, which is the radius, because diameter is x, radius will be x by 2. So that x by 2 is what you need. So r by root 2 will be the answer. That is option A will be the answer. Please respond whether this is clear or not, all of you. One more question like this I will ask. I will show you, but there actually it is asking the area, same concept itself. Area related to today evening there is a special class, mensuration topic, today evening 5 p.m. That's a free class. Those of you are interested can attend that also. Yeah, this is the approach I told you. Here actually x and 2x is taken so that x by 2 confusion can be avoided. That way also you can do. Then try this question. Sorry, this was done. Try this question, all of you. This is similar to the previous question. Okay, some of you got option B. Let's see whether it is correct. There is an inner circle and an outer circle around a square. So it is similar to the previous question itself. Square in between and circle outside and inside. So this is the picture you can draw. What is the ratio of the area of the outer circle to that inner circle? Outer circle area will be pi radius square. Inner circle area will be pi radius square itself. So outer circle radius I will call capital R. Inner circle radius I will call small r. Pi cancel. So r square by r square is actually what we need. So finding both the radius with respect to, yeah, you can take an example also. That is also fine. I will show you taking example method here. I will call this as 2. This side length as 2. Side length of this square as 2. That is same as this side, this also, right? That means the inner circle radius will be 1 with respect to that example. Accordingly, we will find outer circle radius. Inner circle radius 1 means this is also 1. Half this small square if you consider, the side length will be 1. So this is also 1. So 1, 1 means you can find this OB length, that is the outer circle radius. Inner circle radius OY है तो OB होगा ना, outer circle radius. We are trying to conveniently fix a triangle so that you can use Pythagoras theorem. That is why we are taking radius like this. Some of you may be thinking, why can't I draw radius like this? Then you cannot easily use Pythagoras theorem. That is why I am drawing this diagonally. I agree that this is also radius, but this is the radius we need to use Pythagoras theorem. So 1 square plus 1 square, square root of it, that is root 2. Root of 1 square plus 1 square. That means that example we have taken, if the outer circle radius is root 2, so root 2 square will be radius square. Inner circle radius is 1, that is 1 square. So root 2 square by 1 square is the answer. 2 by 1, 2 is the answer. Option B, 2 is the answer. Many of you got option B, very good. Did you all understood this? That is how these kinds of questions are done. Maximum possible circle inside a square, maximum possible square inside a circle. In detail, I have given the explanation here. Yeah, with the explanation writing in the screen, I am not easily able to do. That is why I have explained it separately. Now you can refer the solution if you want. This is the direct method without examples. If you want to go for direct method, this is how it is done. Taking example is easy because we need to find anyway the ratio. Na? Pushpendra, we use the second method only. Actually, both methods are the same. We are just using x or x by 2. Both are same itself, Pushpendra. Anyway, this way you can do. This is actually taking that x by 2 idea itself. The previous, when I explained this question, what I used is taking example method because we need to find a ratio. That is why. Previous 2 questions we didn't want to find a ratio. Na? That is why there we didn't do that. So, 1 second. Yeah, this question all of you try. November 2020 problem. Make a try, all of you. 1 second, I will adjust the screen a bit. Try it. Some of you already got it. Very good. Okay, this is like a hybrid question where numbers and geometry both are involved. So here actually 3 numbers sum is equal to 0. Na? A minus 8 square, B minus 15 square, C minus 17 square equal to 0 means 3 numbers added you get 0. When numbers added you get 0 means either all the numbers are 0 or at least one number will be a negative number. Then only 0 can be obtained. Na? Either all numbers are 0 or at least one number should be a negative. Because if all numbers are positive numbers added, you can never get 0. But here being negative is not possible because all the numbers are perfect squares or squares. When you square a number itself, that will become non-negative, na? So that is why that case of at least one number being positive is impossible. That is why all the numbers are 0, we can say. That is the only way the right hand side can be 0. So a minus 8 square 0 है, तो a minus 8 भी 0 होना चाहिए ना. b minus 15 square 0 होगा, so b minus 15 भी 0 होगा. c minus 17 square 0 है, so c minus 17 भी 0 होगा. That means a is equal to 8, b is equal to 15, c is equal to 17 by these three equations. We got A, B, C. What is this A, B, C? They are sides of a triangle, but this is not sides of any random triangle. It is a sides of a special triangle called Pythagorean triplet. It satisfies. That is why it is a special triangle called right triangle, because 8, 15, 17 are Pythagorean triplet. 8 square plus 15 square, if you add it up, you will get 17 square. That is actually satisfying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem satisfying triplets are called Pythagorean triplet. I have given here the list of some major Pythagorean triplet. 8, 15, 17 is one of them. If you know 8, 15, 17 is one of them, this question can be done very fast. Otherwise, you have to verify it. Looking at the answer options, when you see the right angle triangle, to check whether it is right angle triangle, you have to check 8 square plus 15 square, whether it is equal to 17 square. But if you know Pythagorean triplet, when you see 8, 15, 17 itself, you should understand it's a sides of a right triangle. I hope all of you understood it. So the answer will be option B, right angle triangle. Yeah, in the previous special class, I told you, or we discussed about all the types of triangles and all. I have shown you the slides also. Scalene triangle, right triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, etc. So this question, try it. This is a practice question, not a previous year question. 1 second, I will adjust a bit. I think it is visible now. Poll your answers. Okay, many of you got it. Very good. What is the value of x? The orange angle has its vertex at the center. Vertex at the center means this is the angle subtended at the center by this arc. Angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at the circumference. This is a theorem you learned. So if this is x degree, iska double hoga this x plus 18 degree. That means 2 times this x degree will be equal to x plus 18 degree. If this angle is called x and this angle is y, 2 times capital X is capital Y. This is the theorem we have discussed in the last class also on the Unacademy special class platform. 2 times this angle will be the central angle is double the circumference angle, that theorem. So 2x equal to x plus 18 means x is equal to 18 you will get, taking this to the left side. So option B is the answer. X will be 18 and central angle will be 36 also. So if so, can you try this question? This is a very interesting question. All of you try it. Okay, so I'll explain. This is a very good question. A cartwheel rolls along a straight line. Cartwheel means a vehicle, a bullock cart you can think about. So like this it is rolling down. The wheel is rolling down. If the distance covered is equal to the diameter of the wheel, what is the angle through which the wheel has turned? So before answering that, can you all think about, can you tell me when this wheel will complete one rotation? One rotation means if this is the point you started, this full length traveled. When that will happen? When it travels distance equal to 2 pi r, na? Because 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. That is the boundary. That much length if you travel more, one revolution or one rotation we can say. One time this have completely rotated. Are you all understanding? And 2 pi r is the 2 pi into radius is the circumference of a circle. And in that case, how much degree have turned? Degree turn means, for example, from here, it is traveling one full circle means 360 degree. Na? So 2 pi r is corresponding to 360 degree. Or all of you are understanding? For traveling 360 degree, 2 pi r or circumference corresponding length should be traveled. But the question is saying that only 2r is what is moving. Then what is that x degree? How much angle it have turned? If it traveled only diameter length. Diameter is 2 times radius. Na? So if 2 pi r corresponds to 360, 2r corresponds to what angle? That is a simple question. Very simple. Na? Now if you want to, you can mathematically do it. Divide left hand side, right hand side, you will get the answer. Are you all understanding? If you divide first equation by second equation, 2r cancels, pi is equal to 360 by x. X is equal to 360 by pi. Pi I am taking 3.14 approximately. Divide it and you will get 360 by 3 is 120. 360 by 3.14 is below 120, but it will be definitely above 90. So option B is the answer because 360 by 4 is 90. 360 by 3 is 120. So the answer is between 90 and 120 degree we can say. Did you all understood this? Or divide it with calculator, you can see that it will come around 100, around 100. All of you are understanding this? 2 pi r equal to 360, some of your doubt, I will explain. 2 pi r equal to 360 because 2 pi r, for example, if this is a circle, 2 pi r is a circumference. Circumference means if you open up this circle, if you make it a straight line, that straight line is equal to 2 pi r. And that is what I am claiming here also. So for that 2 pi r length should be covered. Na? Circle, think about a reference point. I will take this point as the reference point. When the wheel moves, the reference point also move like this. And finally it will touch the ground again after a distance equal to the circumference of the circle. That is after 2 pi r distance. That time what happens to the wheel? The wheel have rotated 360 degree because angle around a point is 360. Na? So one whole 360 degree round is completed. That is why for that 2 pi r distance to be traveled. So 2 pi r equal to 360 we can say. Pushpendra, pi 180 nahi hai. Again, school day mistakes we have learned. Pi is never 180. Pi radian is 180 degree. Pi radian is 180 degree. That is a conversion ratio to convert radian to degree. Some of us misunderstood as pi is 180. If pi is 180, then what is the point of saying pi is equal to 22 by 7 approximately? Do you think 22 by 7 is equal to 180? 22 by 7 is approximately 3.14. 3.14 and pi 180 are never same. Na? Again, that is the things that we have misunderstood in school days. In school days, in trigonometry class, whenever we see pi, we substituted pi is equal to 180. That is why sin pi by 2 we call as sin 90 degree. 90 degree. That the meaning of that is Sin pi by 2 radian is sin 90 degree. रेडियन को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करने का रेशियो है पाई बाई 180 और 180 by pi. It is just like kilometer to meter conversion. 1 kilometer 1000 meter है ना, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है 1 and 1000 are equal. That is just a conversion ratio. 1 kilometer 1000 meter means 1 and 1000 can be equated by the same logic if pi is 180, because pi radian only is 180. That only means that approximately 3.414 radian is 180 degree. Radian unit को degree unit में convert कर रहा है, just like kilometer unit को meter unit में convert कर रहा है. Are you all understanding? This is a, yeah, if you people ask me only, I can clarify your doubts. Good to hear the doubt. I think it is clear now. So these are things in school days. It is normal that we miss these things because many things we just mugged up, na, including me. So that things we need to unlearn and relearn, then it is super easy. No, Bittu, that is wrong. Pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7, not exactly equal to 22 by 7, but pi is very, very far away from 180. Pi is not 180 degree, Bittu. Pi radian is 180 degree. Pi radian is 180 degree. It is just like saying 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Does that mean 1 and 1000 are equal? No, na. 1 किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए रेशियो है 1:1000. जस्ट लाइक दैट पाई डिग्री रेडियन को डिग्री या डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करने का रेशियो है पाई बाई 180. दैट इज 3.14 अप्रोक्सीमेटली बाई 180. Again, don't get confused about that. I hope it is clear. Based on the CSIR, have asked one time a question. Let me see if possible, I will include that question now, to check whether you know what you know about pi, what you know about this degree radian, what you know about this conversion ratios. There was a single question which checks all those things. Let me see if possible, I will add it today itself in this class. 2 pi r is the distance and 360 degrees the angle. Then they are not equal, Movu. I use the equal to notation just to make you understand. It is not equal to notation. You can use is to notation also. What I am saying is, to travel 360 degree, 2 pi r distance should be traveled. To travel x degree, traverse is the word, better word, x degree, 2r distance to be covered. That is just a comparison. I think from the explanation that was clear, I guess. If there is any more clarity needed, let me know. Now I will show you a few questions from 3D geometry. Three-dimensional geometry, briefly we will discuss few questions on, so that is also clear. 3D geometry, these are some basic shapes you should know. Please check it, these shapes, whether you are clear or not. Go through all of them super fast. All of you clear about this? Yeah, more clarity on more shapes is given here. With the picture it will be clear. Okay, I will show you a question and then explain more. Try this, all of you. It's a very good question. Any answers? Okay, some of you got it. Okay, before going to the explanation, let me just let you all know about the special offer Unacademy is giving for Plus subscription. Only till today this is applicable. So instead of the normal 10% discount for Unacademy Plus subscription, Unacademy is giving a special discount of 20% off for your Plus subscription if you're taking subscription. Yeah, till today it is what is offered. So to get subscription, you can use the referral code CC10 or CC10 Live, and this is the discounted pricing for Plus and Iconic subscription. For example, a 3-month subscription, this is the discounted price if you are using the referral code today. Later it will be normal 10% off only, but for today it will be 20% off. And this is not the pricing of my classes only, this is the pricing of all educators, all courses together you can access by this single subscription. One subscription, unlimited access of all educators, all courses. That means subject courses also. All your subject educators courses for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, hundreds of courses are there by your subject educators. All of them will be open to you by a single subscription with the referral code CC10. And I have given more than 50 plus courses. All those also will be open to you if you are taking Plus subscription. And currently I am taking a full batch of general aptitude. This is the full batch details, complete course on general aptitude. This course is a full length course, complete theory and previous year questions and practice questions analysis, and free study materials also will be provided as PDF in this class. The live course timing is 8 to 9:30 AM, and recorded class you can watch any time if you cannot attend live course, any time during your subscription period. And to access this course and all other courses of mine, this is the code you need to use to take Unacademy Plus subscription. This is a complete schedule of Unacademy Plus course. The Plus course, the benefit of Plus course is it is more systematic, more syllabus covering, more elaborative, and also your doubts will be cleared in a more elaborate fashion, because after every 3 class you can see a doubt clearing session there. And also there are many other extra features like raise hand feature, extra practice questions, all those also you can access. And as I told, the present batch I am trying to give you full study material for all topics so that you can learn better, and in the future also you can refer it for your further learning. And there are other capsule courses in my profile which you can access by the same subscription itself. Capsule course currently running is finding the X topic, that is H problem. Today 2 PM we'll be discussing H problem. So that courses, many topics I have given capsule courses. All these topics separate detailed courses are there. That is what I call as capsule courses. All of them also will be accessible to you. And there are many gate courses I have given, DBT courses, Vedic math courses. That also you can access by the same subscription. So one subscription, unlimited access of all educators, all courses. And the procedure to take Plus subscription is this. And for today, it will be 20% off on your Plus subscription. So if you're planning to take Plus subscription, do it today so that you don't have to pay extra later. So those people who are interested in Plus platform courses. Okay, or if you want to try the Plus platform courses, in the comment section you can see the linked comment, pinned comment. Click on that, you can access the special classes where you will get an exact idea how Unacademy platform works. For new people who are attending this session, I am telling this. Okay, so let us come back to what we were discussing. So 3D geometry or three-dimensional geometry is what we are discussing now. So a cross-section along two mutually perpendicular axes of a solid object are circle and square respectively. The object is truncated cone means a frustum shape, cylinder you know, rhomboid means a rhombus shape, and cube you know what it is. Rhomboid means it's a 3D version, and cube you know what is a cube. Here actually cylinder is the answer. Why cylinder is the answer I will explain with a picture. Look at this picture. Yeah, this picture you check. Mutually perpendicular axis means if you are cutting one vertically like this, perpendicular to that, horizontally if you cut, are you able to get a square and a circle? Yes, you will get a square, because if you cut this part you are going to get, yeah, you will get a square or a rectangle, but you can get a square itself if this D and this are equal. Diameter and the height of the cylinder are equal means what you are cutting you will be getting a square itself. If diameter and height are different you will get a rectangle only, but if you are getting cross section means, let me explain. If this is a cylinder, if you are cutting it and then you will see the piece that is cut, if you look at it, what shape you are seeing inside, that is the meaning of the cross section. So definitely the shape that you see inside will be square here, and if you horizontally cut it you will be seeing a circle just like this. So for a cylinder only this will happen among the four options. That is why cylinder is the answer. Hope all of you understood this. Then I will show you another question. Try this question, all of you. Any answers? It's a very interesting question. Okay, no one got any answers. So I'll explain. What is the length of the longest rod that can be put in a hemispherical ball of radius 10 centimeter such that no end of the rod is outside the ball? So look at this. If you are taking a hemispherical ball, if this is the hemispherical ball, the maximum length will be here now on the top. So the maximum rod you can place will be equal to the length of the diameter. The radius is 10, the diameter will be 20. Now, question is saying radius is 10, so diameter is 20. So 20 centimeter should be the answer. But now some of you may be thinking 20 is not there in the answer option. Now, 20 is hidden in the answer option. Option C is actually 20. Look at it. 10 root 4. Root 4 kya hai? 2 hai na? 10 into 2. 10 into 2 is 20 na? Yeah, that way also CSIR can trick you by putting the answer options in a weird way. So when you look at the answer option, you should understand that they have tried to trick you. So otherwise the question is so simple. So to make it more little more challenging, they have done this. So try this question. This is a question asked in a previous DBT question paper. Make a try. This is similar to the previous question I discussed. Make a try, all of you. Any answers? Okay, so I'll explain. Cross-sectional images. Sorry. So cross-sectional images of an object taken at fixed intervals from top to bottom reveal the following images 1, 2, 3, 4. Using these images, if you had to reconstitute the object, what would be the 3D shape? So it's a reverse of what we did in the last to last question. There the shape was given, you need to make two shapes as cross sections. So here the cross section is given, you need to make the shape. So these are four squares now of increasing size from top to bottom. So when you cut the shape, which object give you a squares of increasing size? So that is a pyramid. How it is a pyramid I will show you. If it is a square pyramid means a pyramid with base as square. If you cut it, the top you will get a small square, then big square, then even bigger square, and so on. Are you understanding? Look at this. This is the shape we are discussing. Square pyramid with a base square. If you are cutting here, what you see on the top after the piece is cut will be a small square. Now, if you cut it a little more down, you will get a cross section which is little more bigger, but that will be a square. Now, if it is a square pyramid means pyramid with a base square. So definitely pyramid is the answer. Other options are wrong because if you cut a cube, you will get squares of same size only, not different size, or increasing size will not be there. If you cut it all, you will be getting squares only of same size. That is why this is wrong. Prism means there are many types of prism. For example, a cuboidal prism like this. That also, if you cut it, you will get a rectangle or square, but all of them are of same size. Different size is wrong. Tetrahedron shape, for your information, tetrahedron means a triangular pyramid shape. If you cut it, you will get increasing triangles only. Increasing size, but triangles, not squares. That is why other options are wrong. Option B only can be the answer. I hope all of you understood this much. So that is how that question is done. Now a few more questions. I will give you 2-3 more questions as practice questions. These questions you can try as practice questions. Hope today's session was interesting. Today 5 p.m. one more free class will be there. The link to access that class is tagged in the chat. Click on that link and you can go to my special class platform and follow me there and attend more than 450 previous free classes and the upcoming live classes. Today 5 p.m. and tomorrow 11 a.m. YouTube live will be there. Tomorrow's topic is mensuration. We'll be taking in YouTube channel. Today 5 p.m. also mensuration in Unacademy special class platform. If you don't want to miss any of my classes, follow me in Unacademy page, Christy Varghese, so that you will get updates of all my classes as community tab updates there, and also Unacademy will notify you whenever I take a free class in Unacademy or YouTube channel. And also, if you felt that the session is useful, do share this video to more people so that more people can watch it. And also, if at least try to like the video if you felt that the video was useful, so that will help this video to reach to more and more people due to the YouTube algorithm, which says more a video is liked or more a video there is interaction, more people YouTube will be suggesting it to. So if you felt it is useful, do let us know through the likes and comments. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all on the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.